Hello everyone, this chapter is for you to share. The fourth part, SIM tracking function of the laser SIM tracking sensor. Chapter R. Use of SIM tracking function. First, enter the template program. The first point is the laser start scanning point. As shown on the screen, starting point for welding. It is necessary to ensure that the image is in the software interface of the host computer. The seventh line is the arc starting point of the robot. Just set it to the arc starting position. The ninth line is the laser arc extinguishing point. The end of the weld is the arc extinguishing point. 12th act laser safety points. Need to pay attention to the parameters we call in the fourth line. It can be seen that the parameters of the software interface of the host computer are the same. Both are process number R. Let's run the program to demonstrate. Also need to pay attention, tracking needs to be turned on to automatic to run. Run to arc start point. Arc start, start tracking. Artifacts can now be moved slightly. Confirm whether it can be tracked in real time. It can be seen that after reaching the scanning point, it will correct the weld seam in real time. Reach arc extinguishing point. That's all for this section. Thank you all.